Hello, good morning and welcome to another treasure hunt challenge. Dig or don't dig, I think we're up to, is it 14, 15, 14, 15, one of those. But we'll give you a go with the Deus today. We'll use the hot program and maybe the dry beach program. Hopefully we find something, but it's looking a bit bleak, so we may have to do a bit of dry sand with that one. Enjoy, comment, vote. Get involved. It's just for fun, it's not serious, it's only a short video. See you down there. 65, 66. What would you do? The Deus hot program. Do you get a lever? Here's one. Do you get a lever? I think it's on a shallow. What would you do? Vote or leave a comment. I think it's probably, I'm guessing a penny. $65, $67. You gotta leave it. $88, $89. If you look at the XY screen, you see it's going all over the place. Not a clean signal, so dig it or leave it. You've won a beautiful ring pull. So look. Ooh, and a manky penny. Congratulations, you're a penny better off. Is that it? Oh, I don't think it's gone very well if you said dig it. Ring pull. No, up to 92. Well done if you said dig it. You got a 2 pence. How do you get on with the dig or don't dig? Some good targets there, weren't there? 1 or 2 tricky ones, but more dig or don't digs down there. More beach action with the Equinox up there, and some Deus, and subscribe up there. Until next time, thanks for watching, take care, bye.